Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer funds from Green Dot to your bank account step by step clearly. First, open the Green Dot app on your smartphone. Log into your Green Dot account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the transfer section on the home screen. Select the option to transfer funds to a bank account. Enter the amount you wish to transfer. Next, you will need to provide your bank account information. Type in your bank's routing number. Then, enter your bank account number. Double-check the information you have entered for accuracy. After confirming that the details are correct, tap the Continue button. You may be prompted to select the transfer speed. Choose between standard transfer or an expedited transfer. Review the transfer summary to ensure everything is correct. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm the transfer. Wait for a confirmation message that your transfer is processing. Keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates on the status. Transfer times may vary based on your chosen speed. Regularly check your bank account to see when the funds arrive. If you encounter any issues, refer to the customer service section in the app for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.